Hello, my culinary adventurers. Are you ready to whip up a mouth-watering fried rice dish in just about 3 minutes of preparation time? If so, this recipe is perfect for those busy days when you need a quick yet satisfying meal without sacrificing the flavor. All you'll need is a rice cooker and a few simple ingredients. Let's dive into this delicious one-pot fried rice. First, let's quickly go over the ingredients. You'll need uncooked rice. I've got 2 cups here. You'll need those mixed bag veggies. The peas, carrots, and corn will do just fine. 2 cups of protein, such as chicken, shrimp, or even tofu. Soy sauce, sesame oil, salt. One step a lot of home cooks often forget is rinsing the rice. Rinsing your rice before cooking removes excess starch from the rice grains, which helps prevent them from clumping together or becoming gummy. This makes sure that each grain remains separate and fluffy, enhancing the texture of your fried rice. Catch you in the next video.